Happy New Year, people. The Odin boy heading out to have breakfast. Morning, fresh, no hangover, feels good. Last year also the same, and this year also the same. So hello guys, good morning. The roads are so empty. It's not a holiday, it's a weekday still. I think most organizations have given a holiday, I guess. So it's peaceful. So heading to Brahmins. Hope there's no much crowd there because I'm sure not everybody will be awake. Or will they be? Buns. The sabji is being made. Sort of, huh? Came here to Lakshmi Park because Brahmins was full. Like, I have to go this way only. It's so much of so many people. Was it for Brahmins or was it for Ayappa temple? I don't know. Let's see, we'll know now. Okay. It wasn't that great masala. It was okay. Buns was epic. So came to Thode on the 1st of Jan. Just picked up a cold brew medium. Not bad. People are swearing. I thought not many will come. Not bad. It's a good time. I have to have a lot of work to do today, so I'll just finish that. Just ate now. I'll go home. Give medication to Bell and then walk. Let's see how it goes. The menu, the display has changed. Something to eat. It's okay. So, it's pretty empty itself still. I got my cold brew. I got this guys today. USB-C exact original copy. 2-meter cable. Needed a longer one, no? Size is solid, guys. It's a good 2-meter cable. C-type. It's same as the original because you can make it by the way it looks. Because this also is the same if you see. Wait. See, it's the same. Hey. Like, it's the same. Hello, guys. I would like to show you something that, what I work on. One of the few products, different type of products that I work on. This is your coffee machine spares. This is your coffee machine ka legs that holds the entire machine. So there are different types of ones that we manufacture. Starting from this, the normal one with a cap here that comes with a cap here, if you can see. So it's this separate and this separate with the bolt inside, if you can see here. So all are based on the same mechanism. Some have rubber here. See if you see this is rubber, this is rubber, this is plastic PP in which we do. And this is your, looks like stainless steel, but it's plastic again. And we just chrome plate this. This is your different type of leg for different vending machines. So as per the customer requirement, we do these. So there are so many options for you here, being from this small to this big. Everything can be done. See, this is a simple way of doing this. This is a little with another, you give an option here. So for example, see, you can keep anything like a rubber thing so it doesn't move to get a grip. See, basically these are the things which are being done, different shapes. So all of this we need, has been done with a die as per the requirement. So like based on your requirement for any sort of a coffee machine, we have different kinds of legs or bottom bush or bottom, whatever you call that specific name has. So, I have different types if you can see closely, or our insert bolt mechanisms. if you can see. And if you guys need any of these for any of your coffee machines, anything like this can be done. These are the options available. So what I have decided is to show you guys on a daily basis of each product that we work upon, so that you guys will know what I am actually working on and what I'm into. And also, if you have any coffee machine spare related requirements, I can get it done for you. So basically how these are done is through injection molding. So these are all done from injection molding mechanism. That is where you have a die in which you add plastic granules, and with certain amount of preheating it is added. The granules fall into the die, and with one motion of it basically forms this shape. So different kinds of shape, you need different kinds of dies. So again, based on your customer requirement, anything can be done. These are the different types of legs that is being done. So this is plastic. Rubber products are also there. If you see these, this is rubber. So we work on plastic products, rubber products, brass, aluminium, mild steel, stainless steel, so FRP. So all of those are what we work upon. So today is this I showed you, tomorrow I'll show you some other thing. So yeah, every day you will get to see one coffee machine spares. Like I said in one of the previous vlog shot, that these legs are made out of which material? PP. It is basically polypropylene. That's a kind of a plastic material which comes in granules form to make this through injection molding. Why we use polypropylene? Guess why? Because it's widely used for all of these, because of its five main properties that are exceptional, excellent properties. Like basically it's lightweight, it has high chemical resistance, it is good impact resistance, matlab it is stronger, it is lower on cost, and it has flexibility, and it is very tough. So it's basically used to it is used in such a way that it can be easily molded and recycled as well, making it a very popular choice for products that are done via injection molding. So it is very useful, and I feel that polypropylene is, again otherwise called PP, is the best for injection molding components like these. Basically I have many more products also which I'll keep sharing with you guys on a daily basis. So I just wanted to tell you why polypropylene is chosen, or it is why it is selected to be good for injection molding. So basic thing is, for the quality is good for the amount that you pay, and it has good impact resistance, which actually matters, which gives a longer life to your product, and it's pretty flexible, and it is tough. So main thing out of all this is it can be easily molded. First thing, that is important. Second part, it can be easily recycled. So that's the choice. So I just came to park my vehicle, plan to go to the temple now. So this is the attire, orange for Hanuman temple. So day 1 of the year, have to see Hanumanji. So please, pretty please. So 1st of Jan today, going to a temple. I will show you which one. It's a very nice one. We were supposed to go in the morning, but suddenly a lot of work came along, so couldn't go. Now, so came here to Prithvi Sweets. So basically, before going to a temple, take prasad for Bhagwanji, do the Naivedya and give it to all of you, all of them at home. It will be really good for the 1st of Jan. So first sweets, then flowers, and then Bhagwanji. That Prithvi Sweets didn't have anything, so came to Kanti Sweets. Here there are a lot of options. Sure, indeed. Actual sweets, fake. Simma for you. Which is your favorite, guys? Comment, Mari. That section is my favorite. Bengal sweets, huh? So heading to Ayappa temple. There you get everything A to Z. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೊಂದು Sira, I remember our old times. Cricket, gully cricket. People know, they don't know how to ride. One lady almost banged into me. She was
just because she wanted to take a turn.
Yeah.
So she thought everybody else will stop and I will take a turn any which way I want.
Anyways, no point losing our calm for such people. Chill party, we are going to a temple. Let's go. This is an amazing temple. I can zoom it from here. Beautiful temple, like a Jain mandir and so done with one temple, another are main temples. वहाँ पे जाके attendance देना पड़ेगा अभी. So going there, I'll show you where you guys will know. Everybody seems to be in a hurry today for God knows what. No party today. Guys, have you guys seen this? The vehicle is still on. See? So I have to put the key to switch it off. What BMW or Honda has a keyless ignition system. So I came here to Hanuman temple. There is Hanuman temple. Not this guy, sorry. This is Devi Mandir. This is Hanumanji. He's decorated in butter today. Wow. Jai Bajrangbali. Jai Hanuman. God bless. Done with the puja, done with both the temples. Happy New Year, everybody. Finally saw both beautiful temples and we are done now. So, cheers. The temple to our own temple. Wow. can't open the window from inside.
अच्छा तुम लोग बाहर हो ना? हाँ ठीक है, कोई नहीं, हो गया.
Entire garden has been trimmed to perfection. Thanks to Manoj, who's done all this. I think all our new plants, old ones, have been trimmed out. So, Papa is here, Mom's here. Hello, bye, there. Less mosquitoes because of this. And Mr. Bell. Hi, Bell. Hi. Got cut, guys. Sorry, day was peaceful today. I went to the temple, 2 temples, and came. Then visited my own Sai Mandir. Also had a peaceful time. Tomorrow there'll be a few more products that I'll be discussing with you guys. So what I have decided is post this year, like New Year, New Me kinds. So I'm gonna add every day one product that I manufacture with little bit of details on it, so that in the future, whoever wants it can, always DM me and get it for a very good price, competitive. Guys, Jackie, thank you. This is given by Mr. Jackie. So I'll take it. He'd given it to security because nobody was at home. So got it now. Let me unbox it. Layer 1 is unboxed. Now I have to open the gift wrap. Let me do it and I'll show it to you guys. Thanks, Raj. Jackie. So, whoa! Whoa! Too good! Wow, dude. Jackie, thank you so much. Wow. Woo! Superb. Oh, wow. 1,000 plus little things. Happy, successful people do differently. Wow. Thanks, dude. Love you. Thanks, Jackie, man. I love this. Wow. Too good. Superb. This will go on a thumbnail tomorrow. Fun thing about Mr. Jackie, always he gives you a book and then this beautiful handwritten note. Thank you, man. Love you. This is my birthday gift and this is my New Year gift. Again, handwritten note. Thank you, Jackie. Mr. Vijay HB. Love you, man. Thank you so much. I wish you the same. Happy New Year to you too. God bless you. Hello, guys. So it was a beautiful end to a first day of the year. So it went really well. Got up aram se fresh. Then went to the, was chilling at home. Finished most of my work. Sorry. Then went to, the temple. Went to the marble temple here. Beautiful, like, vibe was amazing. And then prayed to the Almighty and, to ask Him to keep us in good health always and take care of us. So from there went to another Hanuman temple where Hanumanji was full of, like, decorated in butter. Oh, it was beautiful. I'm sure you guys saw it. And God bless you all. From there came home mein Sai Mandir mein there one more puja. So soul satisfying day it was, actually speaking the truth. So and then mom gave good food and just crashed. Bell is doing good and I hope you guys really like the coffees machine spare related part of the video, which I'll be doing, like I said, on a daily basis. Every day one product I'll keep putting so that you guys know what I do, and it's going to be quite interesting to see. So yeah, check it out. Stay tuned for more. Alright, adios, and whoever has not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Whoever has been watching, watch it, and please one like would really mean a lot. It's a request, please, and Abhi, right now, like no, please. And yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. See you. Have a beautiful year ahead, and yeah, subscribe, bell icon. Bye. So I forgot. Last but not least, thanks for the amazing gift, Raj Jackie. amazing, beautiful things, books you got. Thank you so much. Love ya.